Hi everyone, it's Paula here from the Excel Club and welcome to today's video. Normally my videos are an Excel tutorial or a DAX tutorial, but today I wanted to talk to you about something a little bit different. We are all living in a crazy time. Most of us are in some sort of lockdown as governments around the world try to stop the spread of Covid-19. In developing countries like Spain, Italy, America, and countries all over the world, people are dying. Health services are struggling. Imagine now adding this problem, this global pandemic, to less developed countries. Countries that are already struggling. Countries where they have no clean water just to wash their hands. For the last number of weeks, I have been working with the world's greatest Excel bloggers, YouTubers and instructors to create a once-off Excel course. Excel experts from every corner of the world have come together to put this course together with the sole purpose of raising much needed funds to help in countries that are already suffering. We have partnered with the charity Goal and 100% of the course revenue will be going towards their efforts across 13 different countries. For PPE alone, Goal needs to raise €200,000 and we want to help them achieve a good chunk of that. This pandemic has no borders and this is a fight the whole human race are in together. I can't provide the answers or the solutions, but together we can help do something. This course will be open for enrolment from the 5th to the 19th of May for 2 weeks only. It's an online Excel course like no other made before. It has tips and tricks for every Excel user, no matter what your skill level. You'll find general level Excel tips, advanced level tips, charting and dashboard tips, and even power tool tips. There's over 4 hours of course material and you will be able to sign up for as little as a tenner and know that every penny that you spend on this course will be going towards Covid-19 relief. It's been really exciting working on this project and I can't wait for it to go live next week. Below this video you will find a link to a pre-registration form. Fill in your name and your email address and you'll be the first to be notified when registration opens. Until then, stay safe and stay well.